Just a quick video. Just a quick video. First of all, a little update for the arcade Bathgate. Work in progress. The battery damage has been removed. It's all tinned, ready to go back on thing. Not the subject of this video. This video is... I had a conversation with Ben a couple of weeks ago. He said he had this board. It stopped working and reflowed a couple of parts and it never worked again. Well, yeah, you see one of the rams is out here and there's another one on the board there. Well, I don't know if this is going to be able to zoom in close enough. You see, hold on. I think I can just point it. You see C28 there. You see the leg of C28 where I've scratched around it and done some reflow, and you see that via right there and that little silver dot on the trace above it. They were shorted together. Basically, pin 11 on that second ram down was shorted to 5 volts, and I think it was shorted to 12 volts intermittently as well, which is not fun. Cleared the solder bridge away from that capacitor, changed that ram chip, kaboom. Just turn that so you can see it. It's back alive. Now. I'm speaking to Ben here. You're going to have to revisit this. Some of those wires there are a little bit loose for comfort. That one there is a perfect example. So long as you don't disturb it, it's fine, but it's sitting above and below two important traces. That's a power trace coming down that way and a data rail going up that way. When you're doing wire links, you preferably either want to do them with very fine lacquered wire and try and follow the line of the trace. Yes, I know, I don't do that. There are people who can rebuild boards better than me. I'm good at troubleshooting the hardware. Other people are good at rebuilding it. If you have to do link wires, do them on the underside. Do them on like the parts side, this side. Then you can go point to point and it's a bloody good effort. It works. I haven't fully tested it. I'm not going to fully test it because I was just asked to get it booting again. And like I said, cleared that short out and then changed the RAM chip because the chip was basically getting hot. Ben did say he could smell something getting hot. But it works. It boots up, but it does need tidying up. I would reroute some of these underneath and then a little bit more lacquer and maybe a bit of glue down those traces so they can't move. And yeah, just a quick one. So more to follow in the future. When I get the parts to finish that thing, I'll fire it up on my power supply. As in me, everything power supply, and we'll see how we get on. And yeah, as far as this one goes, I think you're going to be fine. Alright. Bye bye for now.